Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Wednesday, January 19th. Let's find out what's on our Number Corner calendar. Oh, wow. For today's card, we have the number 19 is equal to 9 plus something. The number 19 is equal to 9 plus something. Let's put this on our grid and we'll talk about it. Nineteen is equal to 9 plus something. Put that on our chart here. Nineteen is our big number. We know one of our little numbers is the number 9. And we have to figure out what the other number is. Today I just want to focus on the math facts. So 19 is the answer. It's equal to 9 plus something. Again, we can take this information. If we know 19 is the answer, we can turn this into a subtraction fact to help us figure out what that missing number is. So if we have 19 and we jump back 9 spaces, what number do we land on? 19 is our answer. And we know that 19 is equal to 9 plus something. We can turn this into a subtraction fact to help us figure out what that missing number is. If we have 19 and jump back 9 spaces, what number would we land on? I'd like you to take a moment and do that now. And if you'd like, we can do it together. Hold up 9 fingers. We're going to count backwards from the number 19. So if we say we have 19, then when we go 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. We land on the number 10. 10 is our answer. I'll show that to you here. 10 is our answer, which means if we wrote this equation, we could write 19 is equal to 9 plus 10. There you go. And that's how we would take care of a math fact when we saw it like this. We wouldn't be afraid of it. We wouldn't say, oh, what do? We use what we have. In this case, what we did is count back 9 spaces from that number 19. Moving on, we're going to go back to our number corner area. We'll go into our days of school. We'll add another day to our count. Wow, you know what, friends? We're getting closer to the number 100. Because if we count this, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. If we have 83 and we're trying to get to the number 100, how many more days would we have to actually experience before we made it to 100? This is 83. Think about this. 83 is what we have. 485. And then we have 5 more up here. So that's 7 all together. 7 more would make 90. And then if we have another 10, it would be 100. So really we'd have 7 plus 10 more days to add to this 83 before we made it to 100. What is 7 plus 10, class? Did you say 17? If you did, you are correct. 17. This is equal to 17. So we have 17 more days of school before we make it to our 100th day of school. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. We'll erase this. We'll take care of putting our days in school on our other chart. And then we'll do some more things together. So we'll save that. Now we'll add another day to our days in school here. And instead of 82, now we have 83. We'll make the number word 83. It will be 8 groups of 10 and 3 ones. And then it would be 70 plus 10 plus 3. That would help us make it to our 83. We'll now add more coins to our coin collection. We have our pennies and dimes we've been collecting this month. Let's spin again and see what we land on. Whoa! This time we have 1 dime and 2 pennies that we're adding to the collection. Let's review this. Dimes are worth how much? Dimes are 10. Very good. And penny worth 1 cent. Very good, All Stars. We'll be counting how much money we have with our collection for the week at the end of the week. What I'd like to do with you now is this. I want to make sure that you are able to do one other thing. Let's do this very quickly, and then we'll be finished for the day. When we talk about these, we have a chance to actually practice filling in that missing number. Again, when we talk about these, we are saying 6 is our biggest number. It's the answer. It is the answer. This is not saying we have 6, we have 1, let's add them. That's not what it's saying. How do I know that? That subtraction sign is there. And that subtraction sign reminds us that is the biggest number we have. 1 is one of the numbers we use to help get to that number 6. Our job is to figure out, what do we add to the number 1 to help us get that big number 6? So when you see problems like this, you can think of it as saying, wow, I can take that 6 and subtract the 1 I do know I have. And that would tell us the missing box's answer. So what is 6 minus 1, class? Did you say 5? Great job. 5 is the missing number. Try to practice more of these at home. I know you will truly enjoy it, and it will help you grow as a math expert. Have fun. Enjoy.